Happy Kids Academy and Mahi. If you are watching this satisfying video and feel like making slime at home, then you're in luck because today we're going to unbox and create some slime. Let's get started. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. To prepare the slime mixture, start by pouring 100 milliliters of hot water into a bowl. Next, add a spoonful of slime activator to the water and shake the mixture vigorously for 1 minute. After shaking, allow the mixture to sit undisturbed for 30 minutes. In a separate container, pour 20 milliliters of cold water and combine it with 10 milliliters of glue. Shake the mixture vigorously for 1 minute before letting it sit for 30 minutes. After adding some color to the pot along with glue and thoroughly mixing it, let's incorporate the slime activator. That's amazing! amazing! Now your slime is ready. How did you enjoy this video? Let's reconvene in the next fantastic video. Thank you and kindly subscribe to the channel.